Hello and welcome to a light reading special on 5G Advanced. With release 18 due to be frozen very shortly and release 19 in the pipeline, the stage would appear to be set for commercial launch of 5G Advanced sometime this year. But how far will 5G Advanced really be a game changer compared to existing 5G networks and services? Well, light reading gauged the 5G Advanced temperature at MWC, and we spoke to an operator, a supplier and European standards organisation ETSI about this very subject. This is what they had to say.
There are multiple threads happening at ETSI regarding 5G Advanced. So the first being what we call MEC, mobile edge computing. The second being securing artificial intelligence, so around AI into 5G. We have also 3 additional ISGs that are 5G Advanced, but a bit more towards 6G. 5G Advanced will sharpen, if you like, the offering of 5G. I think when we designed 5G, there have been plenty of hype and plenty of use cases. Not all use cases actually made it into commercial reality, so 5G Advanced is here to focus better on those use cases that have a commercial potential, add extra capabilities, but maybe not radically, disruptive technologies. That I would say it's evolution with maybe 30%, 40% kind of performance increase compared to 5G.
From Zain point of view, we definitely see that it's a game changer. It's because we anticipate that the traffic data growth is going to continue to grow. Why is that so? Recently, we saw Sora, which is the new AI tool that is being created by OpenAI, that allow us to create a very realistic video, a 1-minute video, by just putting on some descriptions. So that actually reduces the entry barrier into content creations. So more content creations, meaning more content consumptions. So that translate to more data traffic that's being used. 5G Advanced is allowing us to provide high performance because they have technology like massive MIMO, carrier aggregation, 3cc, 4cc, 5cc and beyond on the 5G SA technology. And that is where our fundamental technology, that is connectivity, will allow this growth of traffic and fulfill the demand that is required to have this more content is being created that is going to be translated to higher data traffic. And on the other hand, 5G Advanced is not only about high performance, it's also about new solutions. You see that we have a rate cap, we have a passive IoT. Let's talk about the rate cap. Rate cap is providing affordable device with 5G SA, 5G as a fast deployment because we already have this 5G available in our network. And AI use cases is getting more and more being used. And you can imagine AI together with the camera solution, with the images, video, and also video analytics, the insight that is going to be provided to the market or the industry is going to be enormous. And in order to have this connectivity to the AI, you need to be connected to the AI that is hosted in the cloud. And that's where you need connectivity. Of course, you can also connect using fixed network. But fixed network is more complicated than a wireless network like 5G SA. Imagine that you are deploying an IoT solution, a camera solution, and is in an area that is in the middle of a lake, there's water in between it. Digging a fixed network is going to be more complicated than deploying 5G Advanced. We have already started testing 5G Advanced. We have tested rate cap. We have started testing the passive IoT, that is from the new solution side. From the high performance side, we also tested the massive MIMO, the carrier aggregation in terms of 3cc, 4cc, 5cc and beyond.
5.5G will open up new application scenarios with ultra-wideband and low-latency capabilities, such as glasses-free 3D, connected vehicles, and passive IoT. And these empower operators to exploit the new commercial and business opportunities. The integration of the 5.5G with AI and IoT will drive the development of the digital economic. Combining 5.5G with AI improves the wireless services experience and network capabilities. So this drives the development of the industrial internet in the vertical industries and accelerate the digital transformation for them. And for the smart automobiles, combining the 5.5G and AI will bring the better entertainment experience and the safety assurance for the intelligent vehicles, and will advancing the industry's journey towards the intelligence. And for the smart poles, leveraging the 5.5G's robust network capabilities with AI and will improve the automation and the intelligence levels in port operations and achieving the rapid development of the digital economics.
I think from a 5G Advanced point of view, we're just getting into 5G Advanced now with release 18 coming out. And what you will see is that there is a huge capability driver that comes in from a network side. So when you talk about 5G Advanced, you've got use cases such as XR, which will be an important element. But as you go through, you see that there has been some lack of adoption, and 5G Advanced will bring that capability up. We ensure that the verticals are transformed with the use cases that come in, and then you'll be able to drive efficiency across energy and other elements as well from an operational perspective, bringing in AI, ML, and making sure there's efficiency across when it comes to verticals. I think energy efficiency is an extremely important part of what Nokia is doing today as well for our customers. So one of the key elements for us in energy efficiency is our products. We need to make sure that with 5G Advanced, our products are getting better and better.
One of the many special exhibits I'd like to talk about today is our X80 5G modem, which is Qualcomm's 7th generation modem RF system. The chip is already commercialized. Our customers, including smartphone manufacturers, automakers, and XR device makers, will get the chip in the middle of the year and H2 of 2024. X80 boasts advanced AI functions and the most advanced spectral optimization feature. In the middle of the year or H2 of 2024, many products and services will be ready. Nowadays, everybody is talking about AI. AI is one of the highlights of X80. In the domains of generative AI and on-device AI, Qualcomm is currently collaborating with customers. We are advocates of what we call hybrid AI, which is the combination of AI on device and AI on cloud. This will actually be the most efficient way to run AI. People will see many AI applications available on X80 power devices in the future.
In terms of future outlooks, 5.5G is more powerful. 5G RedCap can further penetrate the market with its lower price. In addition, based on our V510 and V516, it inherits the new 5G 2B scenarios and use cases we have explored. We also aim higher and want to expand the markets with less competition. We have other products. This chip supports 5G eMBB and URLLC. It also supports TSN. It's the world's only chip with TSN technology built in. The global market for LTE Cat4 was about 100 million to 200 million annually. RedCap, as a replacement of 4G, represents network evolution and spectral efficiency improvement. Replacing 4G with 5G is set to create value. On the other hand, we expect to see explosive growth of RedCap in the 5G 2B use cases we previously explored, enabling 5G-based industrial interconnections to scale up. As I just said, this is a market with hundreds of millions of connections. In this context, as 5G gradually replaces 4G worldwide, the market capacity of RedCap may increase from millions or tens of millions of connections to hundreds of millions. This increase is anticipable, that's for sure, but if you only replace the original 4G, the value created will be limited. Frankly speaking, we may need to expand the Internet of Everything to generate more connections and create value for society through these connections. This extra part is what we value more.
Hi, I'm Du Guobing, CEO of Make Smart. At MWC Barcelona 2024, Make Smart has launched the 10 Gbps 5G FWA solution. This solution is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 5G baseband chip. We're among the first vendors to complete the solution test and certification in the Middle East. Shipment will start in Q2 this year. 5G-A has three important features from Make Smart's point of view. First, 5G-A is faster, which means it can carry more 5G backhaul traffic and meet the high bandwidth requirements of 5G SMEs and homes. Second, with the development of AI, particularly AIGC, we will explore many new applications in the 5G plus AI application scenario. What's more, MakeSmart has our own AI modules. In the near future, we'll support AI computing power ranging from 2G to 48G on the 5G FWA network, so as to tap into new application scenarios of 5G plus AI. Third, we'll soon release some lightweight and low-cost solutions in the fields of 5G NR Lite and RedCap. These solutions can be applied in countries seeking lower-cost solutions, and expanding coverage to these countries will help promote the development of the 5G industry. We have been discussing with China Unicom about FWA China. This year, China Unicom will expand the capacity of their 5G base stations to 5G-A. After the capacity expansion, we expect to see some better applications in typical scenarios in China. For example, large conference systems, rail transport, and exhibition centers, as well as SMEs and some 5G private networks.
So there you have it. 5G Advanced is not just about greener and better network performance, it's also about new solutions such as passive IoT and RedCap. Ecosystem collaboration, it seems, will also be vital in getting 5G Advanced up and running. How far will 5G Advanced be more evolution than revolution? We should have a much better idea at MWC 2025. Until then, thanks for watching.